We're at the mall.
Can I get the lunch pasta carbonara? You want the light? You want flash?
No, it's okay.
And I was like, girl, stand up for yourself.
Oh my gosh. Oh, she's cute. I don't even have to try it on. I just know it's gonna hit.
Rose in the back, yeah. That's cute.
What kind of skirt?
You could wear a black ruffly skirt. You could wear
Oh yeah.
you could wear even just like denim shorts underneath, like a super dark
Oh, I
wash
have
ripped denim.
I have one.
This one's nice. Yeah. I feel like I can't really smell anything.
Dang, it's fat. I want to hit big. Okay. Oh! What is this? Is that magenta? Water. Meow. I forgot what count I'm at. This one. No. EX. No. What are you?
Ooh, it is an EX.
Nice. It matches my theme.
So as you know, I went shopping with Faith today, and I wanted to show you what I got at the mall. Went to Sephora. So I got the one size pink powder in both regular size and travel size. A travel size, one size setting spray. And as you know, we went to Dick's and got Pokemon cards, and you already saw that unboxing. And then I bought clothes at PacSun, and I'll show you a try on in a second. But after that, we went to Marshall's and I didn't buy anything, but I did buy stuff at Ulta, and I got the Madagascar Centella Moisturizer, NYX Eyebrow Pencil, this Morphe Foundation Brush, and I always wanted to try this MAC Paint Pot. I heard it's really good for an eyeshadow base. I've been struggling with my eyelids because I'm so oily, so I'm gonna try this out and hopefully it works. But yeah, let me try on the clothes that I got from PacSun because it's for my vacation and I know it's gonna hit. So I only got two pieces at PacSun, and the first one is this purple beaded halter top. For now, I'm just wearing it as it is. It's really pretty if you're comfortable wearing it like this, but personally for me, I'm not. I have like a couple tops like this, and what I would do is wear a white bandeau inside, because that's just where my comfortability lives. But it's so cute, perfect for the summer, and I'm going on vacation soon, and these types of fits will be so perfect for my vacation. So the next outfit is this blue beaded tube top dress, and oh my gosh, it's giving Zara Larsson. It's the never, what's the song go? It's the never ending midnight sun. You know how it is. It's literally the cutest tube top dress. It's beaded. It's giving Zara Larsson, Midnight Sun. So cute. She's coming on vacation with me. That's everything I bought at the mall today. Mwah. Here's my haircut. Ain't she cute? I got my bangs back. Oh, she's so clean. But then the moment I went into the restaurant to pick up my food, a big ol' raindrop, snowdrop, or whatever went on my head. But yeah. Hello, welcome to a new angle in my car. I got a new stand for my camera. I just wanted to show a little glow up series because I'm going on vacation in a couple of days. And as you can see, I got my hair cut, but my bangs aren't banging right now. But yeah, I got layers and bangs again. And then now I am gonna get my nails done with Kalmong from Nail Diaries. We're gonna go for something a little simple but cute because I'm getting my nails done again in 2 weeks for another vacation. And yeah, we're just gonna go for something pink, and then I'm gonna go and try to get a pedicure or whatever. But yeah, let us get our nails done. I'm done. Here are my nails. Aren't they pretty? I got a really light pink nude. I'm done early. I'm gonna probably try and go get a pedicure before my next appointment. I actually have 2 hours until my final appointment, so I'm gonna go get my pedicure because I've just been dreading on the day on when I should do it, and I guess now's the time. So I'm gonna get a pedicure. I'm thinking about white with chrome on it. I'm not gonna show you my toes, but I'll just put an inspo pic right here, and yeah, it's just gonna be white with chrome on it. So
Hello. Mama. Mother. Mẹ. Mom.
Vacation to Hawaii.
Honolulu.
We have good time, family. Are you happy? Grandpa happy?
Yes.